my new Freedom Breeder 70 DIY tub rack build. So I ordered some Freedom Breeder 70 tubs. Of course, this isn't it. It's just a 99-cent store temporary tub I had. But got some FB-70s or some Freedom Breeder 70s. Maybe I'll put the link down in the description. And I built a DIY rack in my new snake room. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how that came out. And it came out pretty good. So I got some cocoa. Nothing more satisfying than putting a snake on some fresh cocoa. So let's go check it. All right, y'all. So this is a little overview of our DIY Freedom Breeder tub rack. So I got it right here on my fish room. So I got my 20-gallon, a couple 5-gallons, and a 10-gallon, and then we got 5 Freedom Breeder 70 tubs. And I had some leftover plexiglass, so I made some vision tubs out of them. So it's cool, so I could just kind of see in there. Like I already got my yellow belly pastel double hat clown pied male here. He's a pretty good breeder male. He's a pretty good size already, like you guys might have seen. So this cool vision tub I could just see in there at a glance. I don't have to bring the whole snake out. But right now we're gonna be setting up this pastel asphalt het pied females tub. So I'm just gonna do a quick little setup. I had some cocoa sitting in the sun for a little bit, so got some UV sterilization, as you could say. And so I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of this cocoa in there, and I'm gonna give it to my camera girl, Adriana. Say what's up, Adriana.
Hi.
So here she is. She looks like she was in shed. So she didn't eat. I received 4 snakes total. 3 of them ate. However, she did not eat any. It appears she's maybe in mid-shed, and that's why she didn't eat, or she did seem more stressed out of the whole group. So maybe she just needs a little more time to adjust. So we're gonna head go and put her in her new tub. So that's the Freedom Breeder 70 right here. So just gonna shape it up a little better for her right there. And just show her that we're friends. It's okay, Mama. Just gonna go ahead and set her right in there. She seems, like I said, she's just about to be done with her shed. So let her chill out. She's really pretty.
Careful.
Got some striking going on. It's alright. I could get her to settle down. She's going in the corner. She's a little defensive right now. Like I said, she is pretty stressed out. Maybe the traveling. She didn't like the traveling too much, but she's gonna be alright. She's a good girl. Very pretty. She kind of looks like she has like leopardy patterns. I'm not too familiar with the asphalt gene just yet. I know I definitely want to get into it, but she has some kind of spotty patterns. Kind of looks a lot like asphalt to me. I mean, sorry, leopard. Looks like leopard. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You might think she has some leopard in her. She wasn't advertised as leopard, so that's alright. But that's pretty much it. We're gonna let her chill in her new enclosure. Put some fresh water in there, of course. So here's the deli cups. Already got one set of done. Just right here. Alright. Boom. So we got some already conditioned water, distilled water. You'd say. Go ahead and fill that deli cup up. Got some fresh water in that. And then go and slide her in her new home. See? Nice and easy. And then I got these lock mechanisms. Oh, now the tub won't slide out. So, just a quick little overview. I could take this one out because there's no snakes in here. So if I take that out, we got these, I had some galvanized sheets left over, and I think they're gonna do good. I drilled some air holes, and there's, you know, there's an air gap right here. There's a bit of an air gap, but made some rails, and then attached these like kind of L's screwed in that attach this frame of this galvanized sheeting, and I got it all throughout these galvanized sheets. So what I did was I put some hot glue on the screws if there was any sharp edges, and I sanded down the corners nice and sanded down. So this one actually I had to drill holes because it's underneath this rack, so I couldn't use the galvanized sheets. And I think the galvanized sheets are good because it's metal, so it's more sanitary. So now, as I can see, guys, we got this pastel asphalt het pied female, and she's gonna be going with this awesome pastel yellow belly double het clown pied. So you can see these vision tubs, they're already paying off. I had some leftover plexiglass. I cut the little strip I had in half, and then cut that in half again, and I got enough to do all 5 cages. So I had another little piece to do this one, but I only have 2 out of 5 bins filled up. I got the rest of the tubs here, but I'm waiting for some cocoa to come in. So we got this orange dream female, she ate, and I got the spot nose female. It's kind of hard to see in there, but she's in there. It's nice and humid, so that's good to see. And I got the pied male, he needs to eat. Yep, got the pork chop rasboras. Some antlers braiding in here. Pistogramma cockatoides. This one is actually a triple red female, and this one's an orange flash. But got some pearl weed just kind of growing out in there. This is my pearl weed where I cut the bush from, so got some Anubias, pearl weed, Cerise stone, plecos, some Venezuelan cories. Betta's in the bowl, doing her thing. Alright, Adriana and Adrian, Slice of Slider signing out. Thanks for checking out this just a little quick overview of the new rack system we got here. Really like it. Thanks guys, appreciate it.